I want to show you something that completely surprised me. This is called WhisperFlow. And honestly, when I first tried it, I thought this is kind of dumb because I'm used to typing. Now, I am not a good typist, but still, typing felt more normal to me. Talking to my computer did not. After using it for a while, working on my website, something finally clicked. It's easier, a whole lot easier, and it's faster. Watch this. Blank document over here. Here's the indicator. I can double click. Instead of typing every word, correcting typos, stopping every few seconds, and losing my train of thought, I can just talk naturally. And the words will appear when I stop it. The strange thing is, after a little while, this actually starts to feel more natural. Especially for brainstorming, where I can just talk and throw out ideas, emails, newsletters, notes, social posts, anything like that. And like most is it removes the friction. Creating content feels like much less work. And for anybody who's not a great typist like me, that matters a lot. The other nice thing is the free version of WhisperFlow gives you 2,000 words a month. That may not sound like a lot, but for a lot of people, that's enough for the whole month. So you've got a free product. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. We're going to come over and stop it. I use it almost every day now. And there it is. It typed the whole thing. No typos. Punctuated. You actually can set it for how formal you want it to be, like absolutely perfect punctuation, casual punctuation. I forget all the settings. But I just wanted you because this can help anybody and everybody. See you at the bank.